I'm out here because there's value in putting my hands to a work to serve my family in this way and to give them the best that I could give. And if that means that I need to get dirty, if that means that I have to pick a time where there are less bugs or that I just have to deal with it short term um, to get the job done, then that's what I'm going to do. Look what we have. We have new additions to our garden family, and they are going to serve our new archway so well. I want to introduce you. Okay, first up is razzmatazz. It is a seedless grape. It already has some very, very, very lush leaves, and also these little baby grapes. Next, we have a Darlene grape, and this is what the leaves look like. This one here is called the Noble M grape, and this is what the leaves look like. It has some vines that's ready to grab onto something. Next, we have homegrown grape, and this one also has some little baby grapes already forming. So not only do we have grapevines, but we have two of these beauties right here. And this is called the Carolina Jasmine. Already wanting to be great. Okay, so I am planning to plant these on our archway here. And I'm going to plant them right along the base so they can be all they can be and grow up, and we can have a nice green lush walkway. Wow, this already makes such an impact. Just like that. Already. The camera really doesn't do it justice. You may have noticed that I am always just wearing one glove. Like, what's up with this girl? It's so funny because I don't really notice that I'm just wearing one glove, and I normally have to have on one glove because as some may prefer to dig all in the dirt with their fingers and feel that soil, to feel it and to just become one with it. I'm like, where's my gloves? I want to do all the things. I want to plant all the things with my gloves. There's nothing wrong with that. If you love to feel it, you love to touch it, that's fantastic. If you don't care for dirty things and you despise bugs and all the things, that's okay too. That is okay, just because you garden doesn't mean that you have to love the mosquito. I'm going to do the hard things because I actually want to enjoy the fruit of it. And anything worth anything takes some sacrifice, for sure. I am finally getting to these zucchinis right here. I'm going to pot them up. I got some of these from the dollar in the quarter store. And so in my video, where I did a kind of tour of the garden, you may have noticed that I had gravel down in my walkway, and now I do not. It's very dirty, and I will tell you why. Your eyes are not playing tricks on me. Of the garden yesterday while Thomas was building our gate. That's because I really want to put brick down here, and I already had that gravel, but what happened was I reached out to see if I could find somebody with some local brick that they're just really wanting to get rid of, and I found someone who definitely did want to get rid of it. And so I was so excited. I had called the kids out, and we like gathered up all the rocks that we just put down. And then the guy wasn't able to meet me that day. And so I have not put the rocks back down because I'm staying hopeful that I can find some brick. And if I do, I will take you on my brick lane journey. So this is kind of doing the gangster lane. I'm thinking that it'll be fine. Maybe I should make it a little deeper so that it can not be doing the gangster lane. Anyway, I am out here not because, like I said, because I love just being dirty and sweaty and bugs. That's not why I'm out here. I'm out here because there's value in putting my hands to a work to serve my family in this way and to give them the best that I could give. And if that means that I need to get dirty, if that means that I have to pick a time where there are less bugs, or that I just have to deal with it short term to get the job done, then that's what I'm going to do. That is what I'm going to do. Guys, looking better. So yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and just repot all of these, see if they will live and not die, because some of them are looking a little crispy. It's been such a busy process. Okay, so now you have a better perspective of my dirt floor. I was overzealous, for sure. Whenever I heard the news that I could get that brick, I was like, oh my goodness, let's go do this now. But that's all right. It'll come. It will come. This is actually very relaxing. What I love is the colors. So I absolutely love the deep brown soil, hitting that green just right. Oh, it just gives me life. So much life. Some of that life, these cucumbers over here are looking a little sad. They need some life. But yeah, it's life-giving. And so it makes me happy because it's life-giving. So I have 6 zucchini plants. I believe these are zucchinis and not squash. I guess I'll see when they grow because I not have a tag on these. So they'll be my mystery plants. One day, you know what? I will know what these things are based off of how the leaves look. I can kind of tell some things, but some things I'm still like, oh, I don't know what that is, just by looking at it. But it all comes, it's all a learning process. So as long as we are learning, we're doing just fine. Just fine. I will give an update on these in a couple weeks to see how they do in these containers. If you have any tips on how to keep zucchini alive, please let me know. I'm going to come back out here tomorrow and really take an inventory of how our plants are looking, to see what I need to do. So I have some summer blooms that I'm going to be planting. These are called gladiolas. They're pretty. And I also have some pink supreme. So underneath it, so this is called pink supreme and this is called trader horn. And it's so pretty. I'm just gonna plant these in some containers so that I can keep them inside the garden. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay, the night has fallen upon me, so I'm going to call it a night in the garden. I am excited to see all the things lush and green and grow, and I'm so excited that you're here, and I'll see you guys next time. I cannot wait to install these. Are they installed? Not really.